Assalomu alaykum hurmatli ko'rermanlar. Sizlarмен aman geldi ola Sultan Sultan Gamer sanasına hoş geldinizler. Dostlar, biz bugün 3-nji missiyanın orundaytım bolamiz. Mına Sweet'in uyunda. Dostlar, rahmet arnaga жазылып like basıp atkanlarınızga. Dostlar, mına kişiye video mına жерде dur, soğan tirkelip like basıp ketemiz. Al biz onda başlayalım.
Hey, you gotta keep it real, man.
Man, nobody give a shit about the hood.
I do.
All they do is sell yay and ruin the place. No crack ever made a gang type.
I don't know, man. What's up, y'all?
What's up, CJ? What's crack? Man, all they care about is smoking and money.
You can't knock a homie's hustle, sweet.
Even marks ain't soldiers. They idiots trying to be businessmen.
Yeah, but they down with us, man.
All they down with is money. CJ, go down there and show these fools you mean business. These chumps from the ballers are sweating the homies. Go put pressure on them. Let's do it.
We've been putting time in the hood, but we gotta get the homies back together. Like the old days.
Yeah, you right. So you and Ryder go handle your business. Man, they're slang to their own mama. They don't care about nothing.
You're naive, my friend. We gotta keep our focus.
We need some backup. You seen Beat Up?
But him and the homeboy Bear, they good to have on our side.
Oh, Big Bear? Yeah, them bass slangers gonna be sorry now.
Hey, Beat Up is only a couple of blocks away.
The hood's all messed up, huh?
Yeah, you try to get any of these crackheads to help you out.
No wonder the
Dostlar,
families ain't up on it.
Короче, biz barıp bandalarda öldürüp gelemiz, Ryder ekemiz.
Apart from Smoke, Sweet, and you know yours truly. Grove Street don't bang no more.
Dawson C'ye koyak, ikimiz Dawson'u çıkmayı
For
çıkar.
sure.
Dostlar, ana razılarız, like basamız.
Hey, slow down, fool. You don't even know which door it is.
Whatever, man. This it?
Yeah, this it right here.
Open up! You sure he still live here?
Fool, I told you. Let's just cruise through the hood and find us somebody selling.
Dostlar, mına kızılı varıp bilemiz. Kettik otur Ryder, tiz vakit.
Check it out. Somebody selling to one of the homies.
Ana narkotik satat misleri koydum mu bari biz be?
Hey, partner.
Man, I know this cat. He a punk used to run with a front yard baller OG from Idlewood. I know his place. It's just across the tracks there. Let's check it out.
Hey, ain't that front yard turf?
Man, are you a buster?
Nah, I'm down, homie.
Hey, grab hold of that bat over there.
Dostlar, yine ancak kızılga varamız. Maşina dayındap koyup da kettik otur tiz vakit.
Man, serious mission now.
Homie, everybody in the hood knows all
Koyunda
the pussy.
kuruyor manıyor. Boş vakit yok.
Ooh-wee. Man, you can smell a crack den a mile away.
Yeah, let's shoot through and introduce ourselves.
Buna
Can't
liberal
touch
ayetler.
me. Good afternoon, baller dope pushers.
No,
Grove Street
bandalar,
OGs come to do
bandalar
damage.
yapmış ki oray. Me. Spite. Groza proszę
Fuck
was
them Grove
kolne.
Street.
Mnie już...
Grove Street going down!
Ninja these
Fine.
motherfuckers.
To me, man.
Uybe.
You can't. Hey, man, back off me with that
Bro.
bullshit.
Das ist da die Pulli der Welt.
It's on.
Ain't you wanna get smoked, baby?
Wirklich. Ich
Don't block me, homie.
Cool.
Now ballers know Grove Street families on their way back up.
For sure, homie. And what's more, You ain't run out
Dostlar
on me.
oslayışa
Tamam, şey.
bardılarını ayrıltmadık. Biz yönelimiz Kuruştun kişi var o. Jaslıdan çıkardı. Raydı çöpten biske var bana. Raydı çıkırda.
I'm saying that right there above the law murder rap to all the homies and all the homegirls.
Oh, man, they gonna be mad at us.
And all them gangbangers.
And I warn the gang later.
I know you loving that
But
murder
now,
rap.
this is bass in the silence of victory, motherfucker.
Yeah, this is Moon Zika. And anyone who knows Tyrone Scott from Grand Crowd, that's dirty.
Now that the bass ain't getting pushed up in their faces, maybe these fools should be up for some real banging.
Yeah, Grove gonna get back on his feet now, for sure though.
Later, homie.
Dostlar biz oslayışa anomalılarda ayırtsadık. Kılsın biz Grove Street'te kayttan kaytarıp aldık. Bu Grove Street bu menin rayonum degendi. Bu Sejin rayonu. Ona dostlar arnaga жазылып like basamız. Hoş sağ olunlar. Erten video